Hello there, it's Carrie Rhodes here. Welcome back to the Trinity Stamps YouTube channel. Today is sneak peek day 1 for our 5th birthday release coming out on June 8th. We're going to take a look at several products today, starting with the Celebration Cupcake 3x4 stamp set. There are 4 images in this set, and there is a coordinating die that cuts out 3 of them. There's a little shine mark that does not have a die. You just kind of stamp it around the flame of the candle. You might recognize this cupcake because it is like our cupcake card die set. So I'm super excited about it. I absolutely love it. Here you can see all the images stamped and die cut out, and then I'll show you what it looks like colored. It's so pretty, and I'll have a card to show you with these images in just a moment. But first, we need to take a look at the number candles stamp set and coordinating die set. This 4x6 stamp set is made to look like those old number candles that we used probably when you were a kid, like myself. They are so fun, and it works best if you use it with the coordinating die set. You can see that the die here has a little like notch at the bottom, the part you'd stick into the cake, and even has a wick. There's also stamps that have a wick you can use with this set if you just want to stamp it. And then here are all of those pieces stamped and die cut out so you can see what they look like. They are approximately 1.4 inches in height, and there's also a flame you can do. So here I've embossed the stamped image with red and then added some polka dots for that unique vintage look, and I used it with that cupcake I showed you first to create this card. Isn't it fun? They are just the cutest. I am loving those numbers. All right, let's move on to Tardy Turtle. This is another 3x4 stamp set, and it has a coordinating die. It is so very cute. His face is darling, and it's another fun one for birthdays, or maybe a late birthday, because it also has the image that says, "Sorry, I'm late." So here, let's take a look at all the images in this set stamped. You can see there are a couple tufts of grass and a little rock, and then you've got your image and your 2 sentiments there. And here they are colored, and I think it is just so fun to color. You can play with different shades of green and customize the color of the presents to the colors you want to use on your card. So here are those on a card that is a shaker. This is a see-through shaker, so when you open it, you can see through to the inside. I love it. This was such a fun set to color and make a card with. All right, next up, we have a cute party snake combo set. So the stamp and the die come together, and this is actually a special birthday bonus gift for anybody that orders $100 at the shop. You get both the stamp and the die set. So let's see what these look like stamped out. This is just a 3x3 stamp set, and you can see it's got the snake and 3 sentiments: celebration, salutations, let's party, and you're super. All right, so now let's take a look at a card made with this. He is just really cute. I think a fun, cute stamp set, especially one that you can get for free. I love that. Okay, so now there's some little things on this card you'll see coming up in this video. Now we're moving on to our dies. So this is the birthday balloon die set. There is a solid balloon, an outline balloon, which layers onto that solid balloon, and you can use it in different ways. And then you'll have the circle that comes out of that balloon. I cut my balloon frame with the new rip and stick paper on the back, so I can easily stick that frame down. You'll see that in the card I'm going to demonstrate with this panel right here, where I cut the balloon out of a card front panel. At the end of this video, I'll do a little demonstration for you. All right, so here's the 2 balloons layered together, and then there's also the little tassels that you can layer together or use separately too. You've got a die that cuts out a bunch of sprinkles that you can use for a shaker, and you've got the word yay and a little bow. So we'll come back to that in my card demonstration. Next is the Banner Builder set. I am in love with this because it cuts out the entire alphabet and all the numbers. So you could use those 100% by themselves. You can also string them onto that string, and then you've got a little cute streamer there as well that has embossed detail into it. Look at that. I love it. So you can die cut these letters and stick them on top of the two banner choices like I've done here. You can also stick the letters right to that string. So you've got three different choices there and layered it up with that streamer. Speaking of streamers, we have the ribbon curls die set and foil set. So there is 7 hot foil plates, 7 dies, and then we have a die right here that is really special because it will die cut out your hot foiled pieces, and it will also create a layer to go behind your ribbon curls that you die cut. So it's really cool, and I hot foiled these in every color of the rainbow because I thought that would be really fun to just showcase different colored foils on white paper, and then I've die cut them with all the colors from the rainbow and mounted them on a layer that's a little bit lighter. But here you can see what the ribbon curls look like by themselves. I can picture these like you would hang them from a ceiling type of look. So you can hang these from the top of your card and create a little party scene. I just think they're really super fun. They could also go with the balloons. All right, how about some embellishments? These are our new rainbow shimmer enamel dots. They are, you can see every color of the rainbow, and they have like glitter suspended in them. They are just gorgeous. I am in love with these. I've used them on most of my card samples that I've shown you throughout today's video, and I'll use them on my card demonstration, which we are about to start right now. Okay, this is not a new stencil set, but I'm using this to create a background. It's like a sunburst, and then I am using 2 different shades of yellow with our Blending Buddy brush. This is Honey Drizzle, I believe, and I'm going to add that on the larger stencil. Really, with this stencil set, you're supposed to use the smaller one first and then the larger one. I just grabbed one and started going, but I thought this would be really fun to look like it's coming from behind the balloon. So I have fresh lemon here that I'm using. It's a little bit lighter shade of yellow, so 2 shades of yellow for my background, and then let's take a look at the final result. It's kind of busy. I wasn't sure about it at first, but we're going to keep going with this panel where the balloons cut out of it by adding a window sheet to the back to create a shaker card. So once that's done, I have a bunch of stuff I need to do on the front of this, and one of those is add that balloon frame, which remember I told you I die cut it with some of our rip and stick sheets stuck to the back, so I could easily stick it down to this window sheet. All right, next let's stamp a sentiment. Let's celebrate, and I am using the oh, I don't remember the name of the stamp set. I will have it linked for you below, but it goes with a lot of other sayings, so you can build up your sentiments. Next, I have the Yay set, or the Yay sentiment die cut from some teal cardstock and also some yellow glitter cardstock. So I'm just playing with the color theme that I picked out for my card today and layering up these letters by offsetting them a little bit so you can see the teal behind, but I can have the yellow letters on top. I think it's a really fun look, and plus I love having the word yay. It's so fun. All right, so we'll add those to the card right above Let's Celebrate. And then I needed a balloon string. So I'm just going to take a black pen and draw a wavy line. Super easy. And then we have a bow in this die set. I die cut it from black glitter paper and I'm sticking it down. You might notice there was window sheet showing behind that balloon because remember the balloon frame and the balloon solid are made to layer on top of each other for like a 3D effect for that little end of the balloon. So my little bow actually covers that up perfectly. All right, I added the little tassels going down the string. I'm trimming off the one that hangs off of the kind of corner of the card. Now it's time to build our shaker because we have all the things done on the front. I'm using some of our foam strips. When you remove the backing from this, they curve around so easily. I mean, it's just a breeze. So I'm going to go kind of tight around my balloon instead of going around the edge of my card because I want the shaker bits just to stay right there. I don't need them to fall down below the balloon. So I'm adding the die cut sprinkles from this card, which I die cut from teal, and also that yellow glitter paper. Now I want the glittered side to show, so I had to do like strategic placing of my yellow bits. These are a new shaker bit coming out in the June 8th release. I'll have a video coming up later that really showcases all these new shaker pieces, but they're flat, they're perfect for shakers. Some of them have glitter, some of them are iridescent. I mean, there's so many fun things. You're gonna love it. All right, so there is my shaker with all my bits. I've got my teal color, my yellow, and my black in there. All right, I'm adding this to an A2 size card. You can see I have the white card, and then I have a teal layer, and then I've got my shaker panel layer. All right, here are those rainbow enamel dots with the glitter in them. I'm going to add some around my balloon. They are so fun, and they already have adhesive and they have glitter, so it's just a really fun embellishment you can add to your card. I'm really glad I have multiple sets of these because I think I'm going to use them a lot. I added a few yellow even to finish off this card. So that is my demonstration for this sneak peek video. I will be back with 4 more sneak peek videos for you guys. And then on June 8th is our actual release day. And that day we will have a huge hop on Instagram and YouTube. And then we have day 2 of a hop also on Instagram. So there's a lot to look forward to, and it's a really big release because, like I said, it's Trinity Stamps' 5th birthday. So we have a lot to celebrate, and we're going to have some goodies and giveaways, a party over on our Facebook page. So make sure you come find us on Facebook and Instagram, and just stay tuned in the coming days for more sneak peeks. And I will see you then. Happy stamping. Bye.